Emergency broadcast. Stay calm. Remain calm. Do not panic. Red lights flashing on the screen. Another headline, another scene. Breaking news and warning tones. Another threat inside your home. Experts yelling, anchors cry. Every hour the world might die. Fear on sale, primetime show. Watch the ratings start to grow.
Stay inside.
Lock the door.
Something's coming.
We're not sure.
Stay afraid.
Stay in line.
Breaking panic all the time.
Hit the panic button.
Panic. 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 Panic.
Push the button, lose control. Sirens alarm, run for your soul. Panic, 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 panic.
Everybody, go, go, go.
Yesterday it was a plague. Today it's war they want to wage. Different monsters, same old script. Just another panic hit. Every channel screaming loud. Another villain for the crowd. Spin the wheel, pick up fear. We'll repeat it next year.
Turn it up.
Make it loud.
Sell the terror.
To the crowd.
Flash the warning.
Sound the tone.
You're not safe. You're not